Did you know that the M300 will display where the gimbal is facing at all times on the heads-up display on both primary and secondary remotes? My name is Michael Den Hartog. We're going to show you a live demo real quick of how that works. As you can see here, the aircraft hovering, the gimbal is facing forward. And as you can see on the heads-up display on both the primary and secondary controllers, the direction of the gimbal. I'll move it left and right. You can actually see the gimbal as it's moving in real time, left and right. If the aircraft moves, it will stay in the same direction as it was before, and you can follow along. As pilot in command, this is great because it allows you to spin the gimbal around and see what's behind you or beside you at any given time, in case you got to back out of a situation. Thanks for your time today. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. If you have a question or comment, put those in the comments below. We'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. You can hit us up anytime here at Florida Drone Supply. My name is Michael. God bless and have a good day.